Hi, and welcome to this geometry skill video on the Pythagorean Theorem. My name is Matthew, and I'll be your learning guide for this question. Which of the following sets of numbers could not represent the three sides of a right triangle? Start by drawing a right triangle with side lengths a, b, and c. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and b are the legs, usually the two shorter sides, and c is the hypotenuse. So what we could do in this problem is we could do 18 squared plus 24 squared and see if that equals 30 squared. And this works great if you have a calculator. This is 324 plus 576. And does that equal 900? And yes, it does. We know that A is not the correct answer, but again, this only works if you have a calculator. Now there are what are called Pythagorean triples, and the one that you should know first is 3, 4, 5. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, and this is true. 25 equals 25. So with a Pythagorean triple, what you can do is you can actually multiply them or divide. And if we look at letter A, you notice if you multiply each of those numbers by 6, you get 18, 24, and 30. So we can actually do this without a calculator because we know that 3, 4, 5 works. The second Pythagorean triplet that you need to know is 5, 12, and 13. And notice that if you multiply this by 5, you get the second set of numbers, 25, 60, and 65. So letter B is not the correct answer. Letter C is absolutely the hardest one there. You look at 57, you're like, what goes into 57? Well, it's actually divisible by 3 and 19. If you divide 57 by 19, you again get a 3, 4, 5 triangle. So you just try it out. You say, okay, well, what's 19 times 3? Oh, that's 57. What's 19 times 4? Oh, that's 76. What's 19 times 5? Oh, that's 95. And yeah, this is a Pythagorean triple. So C does work, and you'll find that D does not, whether you use a calculator or try to work it out as a Pythagorean triple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified when my latest instructional videos are posted. Leave a comment below and check out more free content at tutoringbymatthew.com.